Okay. Good morning, students. Today my presentation is about properties of thiophene. Okay. In this we are studying physical properties and also chemical properties of thiophene. Okay, that is first one physical properties and second one chemical properties. Okay, first we have to learn about physical properties of thiophene. Okay, thiophene is a colorless liquid. Colorless liquid, and it boils at 75 degrees centigrade temperature. 75 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, and it is insoluble in water and it dissolves in organic solvents. Okay, insoluble in water and dissolves in organic solvents. Okay, these are the physical properties of thiophene. Okay, let us see the chemical properties. Okay, in this thiophene is more aromatic than furan and it is also more stable compound. Okay, here in this chemical properties we learn about electrophilic substitution reactions and reaction with n-butyl lithium and also reduction reactions. Okay, in this first one electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, in this thiophene, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at second and fifth positions of the thiophene. Okay, we already discussed about this. Due to here the formed carbonium ion is more stable. Okay, that's why the electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at only second and fifth positions. Okay, in these electrophilic substitution reactions we learn about nitration, sulfonation, halogenation and acetylation reactions. Okay, first one nitration reaction. Okay, thiophene react with fuming nitric acid. In presence of acetic anhydride, it gives 2-nitrothiophene. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, this is the structure of thiophene. Okay, this thiophene react with nitric acid. Okay, which is fuming nitric acid. Okay, this is a thiophene. Okay, in presence of acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO taken twice O, it is converted into 2-nitrothiophene. NO2 is called 2-nitrothiophene. Okay, see here I am writing this nitric acid like this, that is HONO2, and I am writing one of the hydrogen like this. Okay, the bond which is present in between this carbon and hydrogen is breakdown. Carbon gets a negative charge and this hydrogen gets a positive charge, and the bond which is present in between oxygen and nitrogen, okay, breakdown, and oxygen gets a negative charge and nitrogen gets a positive charge. Okay, this is an electrophile. Okay, the form of this OH minus abstract this proton and it is eliminated as a water molecule minus H2O. water molecule, and the negative charge which is in the carbon atom abstract this electrophile and it is converted into 2-nitrothiophene. Okay, and next reaction, that is a sulfonation. Okay, in this sulfonation, okay, the thiophene react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid and it is converted into thiophene to sulfonic acid. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, this is a thiophene react with H2SO4. Okay, this is a cold concentrated sulfuric acid. And it is converted into thiophene to sulfonic acid. Okay, acid. Okay, let us see here. I am writing this is sulfuric acid like HOSO3H. Okay, and next I am highlighting one of the hydrogen from second position. Okay, and here the bond is breakdown, oxygen gets a negative charge and here sulfur gets a positive charge, and here also the bond is breakdown, carbon gets negative charge and hydrogen gets a positive charge, and this OH minus and H plus is removed as a water molecule and the negative charge on the carbon atom abstract this electrophile, that is SO3H plus, and it is converted into thiophene to sulfonic acid. And next property is third one, that is hallucination. Okay, in which first one, that is a chlorination reaction. Okay, thiophene react with the chlorine. Okay, at minus 70 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives two types of products, that is 2-chlorothiophene and also 2,5-dichlorothiophene. Okay, let us see the equation. This is a thiophene. Okay, react with the chlorine at minus 70 degrees centigrade temperature. It gives 2-chlorothiophene and also 2,5-dichlorothiophene. 2-chlorothiophene and 2,5-dichlorothiophene. Okay. And next one, bromination reaction. Thiophene react with the bromine, it gives 2,5-dibromothiophene. React with the bromine gives 2,5-dibromothiophene. These are the hallucination reactions. And next fourth one, that is a acetylation reaction. acetylation reaction. Okay, in which thiophene react with acetic anhydride. Okay, in presence of phosphoric acid, it gives 2-acetyl thiophene. Okay, this is a thiophene react with CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O. Okay, this is a acetic anhydride. Okay, in presence of phosphoric acid, that is a H3PO4. Okay, it is converted into C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is called 2-acetyl thiophene. Okay, see here I am writing one of the hydrogen like this, and the bond is breakdown here, and here the carbon gets a positive charge and oxygen gets a negative charge, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom. Here also the bond is breakdown, carbon gets a negative charge and hydrogen gets a positive charge, and this is eliminated as acetic acid, and this negative charge abstract this electrophile, and it is converted into 2-acetyl thiophene by the elimination of acetic acid. Okay. Okay, these are the electrophilic substitution reactions. And next one, reaction with n-butyl lithium. Reaction with n-butyl lithium. Okay, see here, first thiophene react with n-butyl lithium. Okay, it is converted into 2-lithium thiophene. The formed this 2-lithium thiophene react with the molecule of carbon dioxide in presence of an acid. It is converted into thiophene to carboxylic acid. Okay, thiophene react with n-butyl lithium converted into SLI. This is a 2-lithium thiophene and the elimination of n-butane, C4H10, n-butane. Okay, and the formed this 2-lithium thiophene react with the CO2 in presence of an acid. Okay, and it is converted into COOH. Okay, this is called thiophene to carboxylic acid. And next one, reduction reactions. Okay, thiophene on reduction in presence of Raney nickel, it gives n-butane by the elimination of nickel sulfide. React with molecular hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel is converted into CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is called an butane by the elimination of nickel sulfide. Okay, the same thiophene which are undergo reduction in presence of palladium. Okay, it is converted into tetrahydrothiophene. This is called tetrahydrothiophene. Okay, these are the chemical properties of a thiophene.